Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and I want to tell you about this awesome Mosiso case for MacBook Air. Now, if you're investing in an expensive MacBook, you're gonna need a nice protective case like this one to protect your investment. It comes in a two-piece, one for the bottom of your MacBook and one for the top of your MacBook, and it fits just perfectly. And it also comes with a protective film for your screen, which I really like because I don't like a dirty screen, and this protects it from any scratches or any smudges, which I think is incredible. And it doesn't change the appearance of the screen or the image, which is great. It's very convenient for when I'm working. And the best part about it is that all of the things that it comes with is not intrusive at all. Even when I close the MacBook, it feels just the same size and just the same weight as if it didn't have any of those things on. So if you're looking for a very good quality protective case for your MacBook, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.